there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and I have a product for all of my thermal label maker lovers. I have this product right here by MUNBYN. These are the 4x6 shipping label sized thermal labels. I really love these stickers right here. MUNBYN has created some great products with this, and I do use a MUNBYN printer right now, but I have also used these labels on a different brand printer and it works just as well. I like that there are no jamming, so when it gets fed through, I have never had any issues with these getting jammed. The labels have never fallen off prematurely and getting my printer jammed, so I like that they are good quality in that way. I also love the adhesive, so if you're laying it down, you have a few seconds of forgiveness to rip it off real quick in one fell swoop without worrying about it ripping. But as soon as that adhesive really kicks in, it is not going anywhere. I have had the horror story of a thermal label ripping off mid-transit and my buyer never getting their item, but I've never had that issue with these labels, and I have tested it out before. The corners won't peel, and if you are like really digging under to get the label off, it is not coming off in one piece. So I really love the adhesive on here, and I love that I can confidently ship my items with this and not worry about them somehow not making it to their buyer. So I just really love these labels. If you have used thermal labels before, I really recommend you try out these ones. And if you haven't, then you definitely need to get on the bandwagon, because thermal labels for shipping are just such a lifesaver. So I highly recommend these ones, and that is my point of view.